night.
Come on.
Ounces, I poured that in the soda. I said good night.
Yeah, 4 ounces, I poured that in the soda. I said good night. Come on. 7-9. This for the core fans, nigga. It was good, YouTube. I'm here for my real core fans, my nigga. Cause only the real core fans is gonna watch this type video, my nigga. Cause this video, this song is only on Instagram. It's only on his Instagram reels, my nigga. So if you don't follow Core on Instagram, you're lost. Go on Instagram right now. Look up Kur7947. He dropped some fucking heat. I'm mad as shit I didn't react to the other shit. As you can see, he got 3 a.m. on Glenwood Freestyle, my nigga. I'm mad I didn't react to that shit. That's only on Instagram too. Look at this shit. He got 43K views on this song, my nigga, and he posted this shit on Instagram, and somebody else reposted it, my nigga. Like, there's no way. This nigga been dropping songs on Instagram, so y'all better look out for Instagram posts by my nigga 79. But we ain't gonna talk too much. Make sure y'all leave a sub if y'all new, my nigga. We at fucking 6K subscribers. This for Core fans only. We got Core through the rain. Let's go. This some pain shit. 79. 79. Feel better than I did yesterday. On God, I'm breathing. Come on. Hope this get y'all through the rain. I hope it gets y'all through. Come on. Talk to me. Yeah. Go.
I really had to trust the process. Everything happened when it's supposed to happen. That's my mindset.
Oh God, come on.
I really feel inside. I usually hide that.
Damn.
Cause they tell other people and share your shit. There's people.
Bro, that's on, bro. Oh my God, bro. That's on fucking God. He said once you vent, you tell somebody, everybody fucking know. That's why he holding all his pain. That's real shit, especially if you on his type level, my nigga. You think that shit not gonna get around? Bro, I'm talking friends, I'm talking family, bro. You'll tell a family member something, bro. Next thing you know, the whole family know and they just all talking about you, bro. I've been through that shit. Calling you lazy, broke, all type of shit. He just like his dad, nigga. This self-experience, this what nigga said about me, my nigga. That shit crazy, that's real shit. That's why I hold everything in now, bro. Come on. Go.
Just how my mind work. I done been through the weirdest shit.
Oh God.
I know this, so I had to let go of the careless shit.
Damn.
Soldier, but at times you gotta keep your composure.
Come on.
63, the difference is the motor.
Damn. Come on, 79. Come on, talk to me, bro.
63, the difference is the motor. Difference is I ain't give up when they said it was over.
Oh God.
I got the last word, so we gon' keep it on rolling.
Oh God.
Annoyed bad nerves where I'm from, they just throwing.
Oh God.
Bullets, Harry Young and got shiesty in the hoodie. 95, I'll do a beam, but not the bullet.
Oh God. What did he say?
Goody, 95, I'll do a beam, but not the bully.
He said on the 95, I'll do a beam, but not the bully, my nigga. If you live in Philly, you know, nigga, you can't even go fucking past 40 miles per hour on the boulevard, my nigga. Bro, they used to let you go whatever speed you want on the boulevard, bro. Like fucking 10,000 accidents happened on that shit. Now you can only go 40 miles per hour. He said I go 95. He said I go a beam on the 95, but not on the bully. Come on, nigga, talk your shit, yeah.
Hey, what's goody? 95, I'll do a beam, but not the bullet.
Let's go.
What's goody? 94, my mom had me, I was healthy.
Yeah.
Pushed me. Growing up, I seen her go through all that shit, and that's what pushed me.
Damn.
Used to overlook me, I said I'ma make them book me.
Come on.
Can't forget the man stretched it really.
They used to overlook me, now I make them book me.
I'm tired of people saying I got next like I'm a rookie.
Come on.
The nigga that's gonna give you checks without the pussy.
Damn.
I'm on the edge, don't tempt me, don't push me.
No.
Yes, I'm smoking cookies. Yes,
That's some smoking
clear
cookies.
sweats on plus the hoodie.
Yeah.
Where I should be. No regrets, never looking back on what it could be.
Come on.
Gas station, stop and get a beverage and some wood.
Oh God.
Asked her, do she want something? She was like, I'm good.
I'm good.
Hop out the car, Louis jacket, music blasting.
Damn.
How this shit happened.
Yeah.
Everything done in the dark, come to the light.
Come on.
Give and it come from the heart, you get it twice.
Come on.
I live, I feel like Jehovah, I'm on the mic.
Come on.
Ounces, I poured that in the soda, I said goodnight.
Yeah. 4 ounces, I poured that in the soda, I said goodnight. Come on. 7-9. This for the core fans, nigga. I said goodnight.
Had a feeling certain niggas was cobras and I was right.
Come on.
Feeling certain bitches was bogus and
Nah,
hype.
let's go.
All these bitches chasing the light, they want the likes.
No.
Why niggas posting guns on the gram like that's alright.
No.
Showing up, showing out if the check was right.
Come on.
Strategic, trying to calculate all of my steps in life.
Let's go.
Redone, cause when he called me, he give me the best advice.
Oh God.
I worked in 9 to 5, but I chose this hectic life.
Oh God.
Waited
I
for the
chose
buses,
it.
I chose to catch them flights.
Come on.
Wear my man clothes now, I'm dressing nice.
Yeah.
Michael on my fleece, my YSL jeans tight.
Let's go.
I don't run from my problems, go through them like green lights.
Yeah. I don't off my problems, I go through them like green lights. Nigga.
Never missing out, never missing out.
Never missing out.
I'm just trying to get the team right.
Come on, man. That was a fucking heater, man. I'm mad as shit I ain't react to Glenwood, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this shit. This nigga 7'9" stay snapping, bro. I love this nigga, bro. Like, no bullshit, bro. I really looked up to this nigga my whole fucking life. 7'9" the committee. I'll see y'all in the next one.